Come on, y'all, it's 2025. Let's get to these easy installs, babes. Easy install. It looks great, guys. Like, look at it. Quickly switch it up. You go on the trip, go with the middle part, step in with the middle part, switch it to the side, and I'm definitely very satisfied. Again, the pattern, the wave pattern is absolutely stunning. Alright, y'all, so straight out the box, this is what we're giving with this unit, guys. Obviously, the steps to this video were very, very easy. Like, come on, y'all, it's 2025. Let's get to these easy installs, babes. Easy install. As you guys can see, this is absolutely stunning from Beauty Forever here, guys. Very simple and straight to the point. If you're looking for a spring to summertime unit, this is definitely going on my list as one of my faves. Now, this unit is ultra glueless, guys. I didn't put any glue, any spray, any tape, nada. Nothing, guys. So she's very, very glueless, guys. I literally can lift her up and put her back down with no issues, which you guys know I love that. It keeps it very nice and simple. Now, even if you're going on a very, very hot tropical trip, guys, these units don't do all that slide back. As you guys can see, there is that adjustable hook in the back. So you just got to pull that one and secure with the hook, and then you're good to go. When I mean the adjustable strap and that hook in the back make it very, very glueless and very, very like secure, guys. I kid you guys not, you don't have to worry about any of this, you know, unit sliding back while you're in that hot smoking smuggling heat on vacation. So the unit is very pretty, guys. As you guys can see, I didn't do any baby hair to the front of this unit. I wanted to keep it clean and fresh. So you guys can see the bye-bye knots. It is a 7x5 and it is very, very pretty. Y'all, you don't even need all that lace. Look at how the hair falls perfectly down. The way they did the tracks on the side right here is very nice and seamless, so you can't see anything. Look at that, guys. What do you need a 13x4 for? This is perfect. And obviously you guys can see they already did a pre-cut, pre-tweeze on this unit, so I didn't have to do anything as far as that. Now, I don't know if you guys didn't notice, but I didn't saturate this hair at all. So this unit came in the pack pretty. The curls were very, very soft, just like this. All I did was go ahead and define it by adding some product to it so it can really hold the style with a little bit of sheen and shine on it. But when it came out the box pre-packaged, everything was already formed beautifully. So all I did was just add a little bit of product to, you know, really hold and form the pattern. So you guys can see this is what it looks like air dry. I let it air dry for about an hour, y'all. So She's eating it up, guys. She's really taking this one home. Like, very, very pretty. Y'all know I love a good 24-inch. This is gorgeous. Like, when I'm telling y'all this is the perfect vacation wig, glueless. Nice density and beautiful pattern. Look at this pattern. All right. Like, come on. So let me go ahead and show you guys a different style with this one. Let's play around with it because the 7x5 bye-bye knots can do a little bit more. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers to do this because we don't want this to be too perfect. So I'm gonna kind of like just make sure I separate as much hair to make a side part. So you guys can see, we don't want it to be too perfect, but we want it to just look cute. So with the side part, we're just gonna go ahead and use a little bit of my mousse again, and we're gonna manipulate this part right here. And we're just gonna kind of fold this part in just to kind of make everything kind of go. So we're gonna basically like, because we don't want to break any of the cast too much on the already curls that we have. So we're going to go piece by piece just to mold this down this way so that it can kind of give us like a little pullover side part situation. You're going to do that to each section like that. Again, you can add a mad mousse to your hair, but it's fine, guys. It'll dry pretty quick. And then I'm going to hit the top of this with my diffuser just to make sure everything stays settled. So again, we're gonna push this last piece over like this and then add a little mousse to the top of it. We don't want everything to be too perfect because this is like a wavy texture and we want it to look kind of like, you know, cute and fun. Okay. So now that we have this side, okay, I'm going to now make sure I kind of manicure this side up a little bit. And you guys can see again, look at that 7x5. You don't even need to do nothing on this side. You don't have to do baby hairs. You don't have to do any of that stuff. You can literally leave it the way it is and rock it like that. Just gonna hit up this top section with a little bit of mousse so everything on this side kind of goes together. Let me tell you, mousse is a really good product for this hair, especially a wavy texture hair. Use mousse. Like, don't go crazy, but just use a little mousse. And this mousse right here is excellent, okay? I'll leave a link down below for you guys. This Lotta Body mousse mousse is great. So that's all I'm gonna do there. Just hit that with a little bit of mousse right here and leave it alone. Like, it'll do its own thing. Y'all, so a little side part never hurt nobody, so I wanted to go ahead and flip this over to the side part. Now it's kind of like a side part aka slash flip over method because I didn't want to make the part too defined. I had like a little bit of powder, but you guys can see, let me tell you again, the Lotta Body mousse is excellent. I use it to kind of mold everything into position, and then I use my 2 clips to kind of hold. I always use 2 clips, guys, in the beginning just to kind of freeze it up in that spot. And then I use my diffuser with the comb head to really dry the area up. I put it on high. It only took a couple minutes, and look at guys, it's nice dry. And again, these are nice waves with purpose. It's just not frizzy and all unruly. This hair is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Like, look at this pretty little flip over method or side part look. Now, obviously this is giving like a vacation, but I actually have a vacation dress on because I was trying it on for a trip. So I'm already in the element right here. Little halter top situation, low back situation. So this unit looks great, guys. Like, look at, quickly switch it up. You go on the trip, go with the middle part, step in with the middle part, switch it to the side part. Showed you guys very easy. Get some mousse, little diffuser, boop, 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 and you're good to go. Like, look at that, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, same day install. You don't even need all that extra 13x4. All you gotta do is make sure you tuck it real nice right here and you don't see anything. If you wanna go ahead and pull out your little baby hairs to do like sideburns, then you can, but slick buns don't have sideburns. They usually part down the middle and all the way clean through. So let's keep that in mind. We don't have to do baby hairs or sideburns with every single hairstyle. Nice and sleek. It's not sleek, but it's flat enough. And again, middle part it up. The middle part doesn't have to be perfect because nobody's middle part is perfect. You gotta kind of give it a little bit of character, if you know what I mean. But again, y'all, very cute. I'm actually pretty surprised. I was gonna do a different style, like clip it up, but clipping it up is, you know, redundant and a little bit boring. So I wanted to kind of see what this one could do as far as giving more of a chic-y, cute look. And I'm definitely very satisfied. Again, the pattern, the wave pattern is absolutely stunning. It just gives summer and spring vacation, like very pretty, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Beauty Forever Hair, guys. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Hopefully I gave like a little vibes. Again, I'm kind of finding like cute little styles, simple things. Like everything needs to just be simple in 2025, period, guys. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.